got to Gigaraw. Here it's actually there is a typhoon right now, but here in Tugigaraw they don't have any rain at all. But in Ballesteros, my gosh, heavy rain with thunderstorm and lightning. But it's surprisingly here there's no rain. Bigyan mo ko ha, para may partner siya. I'm gonna eat here, guys. We call it karinderya because I'm hungry already. So I need to eat. I need a strength. Yeah. They have dinakdakan. Ordering this one, guys, and I have the sitaw. Okay guys, kain muna ako. Hi guys, I'm done. Just a quick eating only, guys. I am a cowgirl. I don't want to waste my time. So we're going to Mercury, guys. It's traffic. Today we have a service. It's an ambulance from our town hall. It's a free ride. So free gas, free driver, free ride. Only the one that I spend it, I just give money for the driver for his food. So, and thank you to Kayong Donald because he's the one of the Sangguniang Bayan in Ballesteros. So he's the one who helped us about the free service for today. So it's a good thing. It lessen our expense. Anyway, hello ate, punta akong Mercury naman. So by next Wednesday, I don't know where we gonna ride, or else maybe we gonna come back to commute again, because that is only for today. The free service is only for today because as per Kuya Donald, he said that they only have one free service a month, I think, if I just remember. So weekend today, Saturday. But here is not much busy. Hey guys, here's the Mercury. We're gonna go inside. There's no stock anymore at the Mercury, the one that I needed. So I'm gonna try in Watson. I forgot to get this one. I forgot to get that yesterday because me and Art went to Mercury yesterday and he just purchased the other stuff, but I didn't remember. I didn't notice that we're running of out of stock already. So it's humid here. All I can say, Tuguegarao is really hot. It's really hot here, guys. It's really different from Ballesteros. Because maybe because they don't have beach near by this town and this city. They don't have beach. Not unlike in our town, we have beach. Balsain, Tuguegarao. Balsain, Tuguegarao. So, hoping that they have, they were selling at Watson, the one that I really looking. Inside the mall. There's a lot of ukay-ukay here, guys. There's a lot of ukay-ukay. But I need to go inside. Where's Kuya? Kuya is out. Oh, he's not here. He went out. What is there? Ukay-ukay here.
Oh, 20-20 na lang. 20-20.
Oh, there's a lot of ukay-ukay here, guys. Oh. Oh. This is the one that cut needed. This one. Magkano to? Oh, this cut needed. Cut. Here it goes. This is the one that you need, cut. Walang hawakan? Yung ganun lang. Oo nga. Pare gagano. Ha? Eto. Kasi yung pamangkin. Kasi yung pamangkin ko kinuha kahapon yung hand carry ko na ganyan din. Aalis siya. Oo nga. Pang lang. Pang travel lang sa pag hindi ko hand carry nga. Oh, cut. Oh, this is the one that you're looking, cut. Here, in Unitap. Come and buy this one. It's on sale. Ito pag-isipan ko. Maghapon pa naman kami dyan. Inaantay ko yung kapatid ko. Okay, we're going inside, guys. Going inside. We go to the Watson. This update. I'm still waiting for 2 hours. So, it's humid, guys. It's humid. I'm thirsty. Gonna get something to drink. I'm really thirsty. Hi guys, I get something to drink. It's a new one. I've never been taste this one, so I'm gonna try it. We'll go back to the clinic. Bye for now, guys.